Today we're going to talk about dump pouch install and mag pouch compatibility. So a little update on our MOLLE panel for the dump pouch. This is our older panel, which only has 6 slots for ride height adjustability. And as you can see here, we've added a few more slots to give you a little bit more options when it comes to ride height. So that's just a quick inline update that we did, and you'll start to see that more and more with our newer pouches being sold. So here I have a double pistol mag pouch by S-Tac, and it has a MOLLE system on the back of it, and pretty much any MOLLE compatible mag pouch is going to work alongside our dump pouch. What I did here is I laced Velcro one wrap through it to get the ride height where I want it for this dump pouch, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in just a second. So I'm going to open up the dump pouch, and I'm just going to lay this on the table, and I'm just going to slide the one wrap through the bottom 2 slots. Pull it through, and I just want that panel to sit nice and flush, like so. Okay. And then I'm going to take these top pieces and run it through. And when you're using one wrap, don't forget to have the hook exposed to the outside so it matches up with your belt, so you're not losing that hook that attaches to your inner belt. Just a quick tip on that. I'm going to lay that flat, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the belt, for the install. Super easy. This is my preferred method, but if you want something that is potentially a little bit more secure, you're going to use malice clips or something like that and run it to the outside MOLLE of that belt, right? But just to show you a couple different options, this is just a super quick, easy option. We have a couple different pouches here. We have a HSGI Taco that has these hard clips that it was shipped with it, and you could just undo those, and you can see this is MOLLE spacing on the back of this, right? And I'm just going to slide it through the holes, right? This one has some screws and stuff like that. That's just going to jam through it, and I'm going to weave it back through and then fasten it down, right? So super easy. That's going to install. You're going to finish that up, attach it to your belt. So just because it ships with some hard clips doesn't mean that our dump pouch will not work with it, as long as it has MOLLE spacing, right? So here's another option. A G-code Scorpion rifle mag pouch is going to work the same way that that last one did. It's got these hard clips on it. You just route it through the slots and secure it at the bottom. So same thing with a different pouch. And just to show an option that you have, this is one of our pimps, our med kits, and it has laser cut MOLLE on the back. So you also have that option to run your dump pouch. You just line up the holes, run your malice clips through it or your one wrap, and your dump pouch can be mounted right behind your med kit, just to kind of drive that point home that if it's MOLLE compatible, it's going to work. So something else that that guys use that you might not think it's compatible with, but it in fact works pretty well, is if you're running a Blade Tech tech lock system, right? So this is typically mounted on here, but for visual aid purposes, you're just going to take your screws off. You're going to take your tech lock clip off, run your screws through these slots in the MOLLE panel, pick those up, and then screw this back into place. And now you have a dump pouch with your tech lock system, which is kind of cool because then you can take it off of your tack belt and put it on your EDC belt or clip it to whatever you want. So that's kind of a cool mobile method with that mag pouch. But we just wanted to show you, it does in fact work with our new MOLLE panel. The previous panel, you would have to maybe burn some holes with a soldering iron to pick up those screw holes. With the new panel, you don't have to do that. You can pick up the new slots that we've added here. So I hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions, of course, drop it down below in the comment section. We'd be happy to help out. You can also reach out to customer service on our website, and you can find our dump pouches in all variations at flatlinefiberco.com.